Have you ever wondered how to make the creamiest and most delicious mashed potatoes? In this video I show you simple tips to make your mashed potatoes irresistible. Place a pot of unsalted water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Peel 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of potatoes. It's better to peel them now so you don't burn your fingers later. You can also cook them with the skin on. For perfect mashed potatoes, starchy varieties are perfect as they break down during cooking and create a wonderfully fluffy and creamy texture. Cook them for about 40 minutes. The time varies depending on the size. Then do the fork test. If it slides in easily, they're done. Drain the water and mash them immediately while they're still hot to avoid lumps in your mashed potatoes. Cut a generous piece of butter and don't be shy with it. Today we're not counting calories, so the more the better. Add the butter to the potatoes and continue mashing until it's completely melted. Butter is a key flavor carrier and gives the mashed potatoes a particularly rich taste. Add 250 milliliters or 8.5 fluid ounces of milk. Now grate some nutmeg. What's your trick for perfect mashed potatoes? Write it down in the comments. Mix everything carefully until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you're serving the mashed potatoes with a sauce, remember to use less salt. Today we are serving it without sauce, so we'll add a bit more salt. If the texture still isn't to your liking, you can add a little more milk to make the mashed potatoes smoother. These are our delicious mashed potatoes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Try them with our homemade creamy pork. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao!